Test. I'm hoping this is recording. Hi, I'm Bianca, and I'm making YouTube videos because I'm bored, and I have no school today. So, here we go. Okay, so I'm Bianca Sweeney, and I love Frozen, and everything that has to do with Frozen, and I love my boyfriend. He's awesome. I'm weird, okay? We all gonna go through this world, and we're gonna be weird, so let's all just be weird together. Let's go. Hugs. I just hugged my phone. Not weird at all. Well, my videos are mainly gonna be about just Legos and stuff. I'm probably gonna be building some stuff. So, I really don't know what to build, so I'm gonna just go with it. See, I have like this, but it goes with a set. I can't find all the pieces. Stay with me on my phone. Yes, it was. Okay, so I have all of these different pieces, but I like going with a base set first. See? My base. Cause I'm all about that base. About that base. Sorry. Put up song reference. Thank you, Superwoman. Love you. Oh my gosh. What if Superwoman watches this? I'm done. If Superwoman starts watching my videos, I'm like, life goal completed. I win. So, why don't I make a campsite? Yeah. Well, first we're gonna need a fire, right? I mean, don't all campsites have fires? Or am I just slow? Well, I'm slow, but I'm not high, peeps. Calm yourselves down. I wonder if anybody will actually watch this. See? My amazing... Well, that was a fail. Hashtag failing Bianca. I do that a lot. I know, I'm flattering. I'm just so awesome like that. Cause I'm all about that spot. Okay, I'm not the smartest rock in the... I don't know, that's what I'm saying. Not the smartest rock in the bunch. Sayings with Bianca. Odd and questionable sayings with Bianca, if you ask me. Now I have that song stuck in my head. It's all your guys' fault. I'm just kidding. Nothing's ever your fault. Except for if you're me, then it's always your fault. See, that's my fireplace. It's an awesome fireplace. If you don't like my fireplace, then you can go eat something happy, like a unicorn. It's annoying. Well, don't eat the unicorns. Love the unicorns. I haven't figured out how the heck to make a tent yet. If you have any suggestions, and don't be hating me in the comments section, bruh. Like, yeah, this is part 1, because I ain't doing all these. I mean, I'm videoing off of my phone, and I don't. This is already 3 minutes and 40-some seconds, so it's gonna take a while to load. So, you know. Bye. I don't know. I don't know what to do now. Finger fun. That was fair.